Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In previous video we have seen how we can design a counter types of component that look like this. We have designed in the previous video. Now in this video we are going to learn how we can dynamically do class rendering. It's called dynamic class rendering. That means here you see we have a color of warning type by using bootstrap. You see I have set here the button warning margin 2. This information I have set for the count property, that is the state property of this component class subclass counter here. So how I can dynamically render this particular class means I want, if I do the count value to 0 like this, then the color of this yellow should be converted into red. That I want. It is a dynamic class rendering. This process is called dynamic class rendering, means we are changing the class dynamically at runtime. That is the most important part of any application in React. So how we can do? So first of all I create a function here. I say check count. Here in check count, what I do, I just create a const value, that is the, we can say, check counter, and here I say that if this state dot count equal to 0, then we should have the property btn. If the value is 0, then I want btn dot danger and 2 as a margin, and if it not 0, I want btn warning m2. Remember that. So here then we return this check counter like this. I save it, and you see we did this, and here I just call JSX expression, and under this expression I need to call this dot check count and save it. You see I need check count here, this one, and it will check the count. If count is 0, then it will show the red color. You see red color is coming, and if I change the counter value to something else, 1, 2, 3 or some else is not 0, and you see the color is changed to the warning one, the yellow one. So like this way we can do dynamic class rendering in React. That's all in this video. I think you learned something from this video. If you really learn anything from this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.